Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you kind of like the whole process of how to do a makeup look from start to finish. But yeah, I think this was pretty cool. Also gonna show you the duration of how long each thing takes, and you can kind of see like a whole day and the whole process of really what goes into doing a full makeup look. Sometimes it's not just doing like the makeup on the face, there's prep work to it. So yeah, let's get right into it and I'll take you along my whole process of a makeup look. So I decided I wanted it to have like a little bit more texture to the side so it looked more like a painting. So instead of going with this square one, I went ahead and did this. I thought I was going to kind of put it over top, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to do that or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and work on this first one here. Colors here from the dollar store. This one is more of a tan. It's called Cashmere Tan. And this one is gold. So I'm going to paint this one down first and then I'll put the gold because I think I need this to cover up some of the green first. So this is the frame all done. I just went in and did some shading around the edges here with some eyeshadow, and there are the little gold decals that I painted. I just went ahead and drew this cute little Mario. So my plan is to have this somehow maybe on a wire or something, and then it kind of like off to the side, but like out like this to make him look like he's kind of jumping out of the picture, you know what I mean? And then I'll be in the frame with Bowser. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and start the makeup portion. Picture frame completed, and I have the little jumping out Mario. So now what I need to do is transform myself into Bowser. Take my phone and I picked up a picture I want. N64, like this is the Bowser that was in there, and it's more of like just a 2D flat version of him. So this is what I'm going to transform into. I'm working on this mouth here, and like for the past bit I've just been trying to figure out how to almost like anchor this onto my face. So I have these little I don't even know what they're called, foam tabs or something. So I built up the back side because I need to match the length of my nose. So I'm gonna take some liquid latex and put it right under my chin, and then I'm gonna have it like this. This works. Normally like a look like this shouldn't really take me that long because majority of it is like paper. It just takes a while when I have to pre-make everything.
One hour later.
Okay, so I forgot to film a few things. I wanted to show you how I take the look off and like do my cleansing and all that, but honestly I just got too tired and hungry, so I ate, took a shower, and that is it. Like I said, it's around like 11:30 or so, so now I'm just gonna get ready for bed and go to bed, and that is basically how a makeup look goes, like one that's in more detail like that. It takes a few days to plan out all the little pieces and then put everything together. If you guys enjoyed this makeup process from start to finish, if you guys did, let me know and I can do another one. And that is it. Like always, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, which is every Sunday, and I'm happy because so far so good. I'm posting every Sunday. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.